Welcome to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Cronos family. Let's talk about what's happening with the Crow tokens price today as we are going into Wednesday morning. So looking across the board, we're seeing a minor pullback, obviously going into Wednesday morning due to the FOMC meeting. But again, if you're looking at the last 1 hour to be exact, market has seen a little bit of a bounce, which again is nice to see. So next few hours, very important to see how the market tends to react. But if you're looking at Cronos price right now, pretty much sitting at 15 cents, down about 2.1% on the USD and about 1.3% on the Bitcoin side of things. On the Ethereum side of things, though, we're up about 0.2%. Valuation $5.4 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at about 70 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's give the dominance a refresh live and see what's happening. So it's actually pulling down over the last, hour and a half. You can see for yourself, we were sitting at almost like 59.9%, seeing a little bit of a, retracement, but most importantly, focus on where we were earlier Tuesday. We were sitting above 60%. So again, you can clearly see that we have seen, quite a sharp pullback towards the downside. Obviously, not where we want to see the dominance. I want to see the dominance, pulling down to some of these lower levels, especially where we were, early October. That would be quite something for altcoins. But right now, like I said, we have some key events coming over the next day or two. After that is done, I think you would expect the dominance pulled down to these levels. So again, if you're looking at Bitcoin's price, I did highlight this in some of my other updates, but I know you guys, some of you only watch the Chronos update, so I got you covered. If you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin did see quite a sharp pullback, from earlier yesterday, but we are seeing Bitcoin kind of pushing back towards the upside, currently sitting at $113,400 as of recording this update. So not bad for Bitcoin. Obviously, some resistance coming in our way around the 113,500. Breaking above here, I think takes us back up to 114 quite easily. So that's something we want to be looking out for. But as far as Chronos is concerned, we saw something very interesting playing out today, and I'm going to share exactly what that is. So you could see for yourself. Again, we were at $116,000 price point earlier, but look at this wick that we saw for Chronos, taking its way back up to 17 cents, a level we haven't seen since October 15th. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, that was a move of 13% for Chronos. And there's no real, big announcement coming out from, Chronos in regards to this type of move. Is this a massive whale that has come in and bought, on the market? Or is there insiders that know something that we don't? There are some rumors flying around, but again, nothing set in stone. There's no credible source backing some of these rumors. If you're on crypto Twitter, I'm sure you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But this wick was very, very impressive. Again, short-lived due to this retracement for Bitcoin. Obviously, that dragged the price of Cronos back down to pretty much where it was prior to this move. Did we see a bunch of shorts that got liquidated? I don't really know, but sorry, but what I do know is that there is a high chance of Chronos filling this wick, and start heading up to, again, some of these key levels around 18 cents that we have not retested pretty much since this major retracement. We're still consolidating above the key support line. Right now, dominance is all over the place, and I think Chronos is definitely reacting to that. But again, so far so good. Got to take it one step at a time. Do let me know in the comments down below what your personal thoughts are. What are your overall forecasts on Chronos, and let me know your overall timeline. Are you in it for the short term, mid term, or are you holding for long term on Chronos? And yeah, let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Thanks for all the love, and we'll see you later in Crypto ZX and peace.